What if I told you that cars in Germany are built without horns? For 2 weeks, I believed it. Not a beep, not a warning, not on the city streets, not on the highways, not even on the autobahn where cars fly faster than my eyes could comfortably follow. And this is Germany, home to some of the world's iconic automobiles, the country of Mercedes, BMW, Audi, and Porsche. Machines engineered for power, precision, and speed. Yet, somehow they seemed to have no use for their horns. Back home, the horn speaks. It greets. It complains. It warns. It argues. Sometimes it says, move. Other times it says, I'm here. And sometimes it simply says, I'm impatient. With a flash of headlights, a driver moves aside and a faster car passes. No contest, no noise, only understanding. Then I watched the city. Cyclists gliding through intersections, pedestrians waiting at crossings, drivers waiting for green lights, everyone taking their turn, everyone trusting the rules. And slowly, the silence began to make sense. The horn had not disappeared, the need for it had, because discipline had taken its place. Not by force, not because a police officer stood at every corner, but because long before these drivers touched a steering wheel, they had been taught that driving is not just movement, it is responsibility. One day I finally asked my brother, are you sure this car even has a horn? Show me, press it, let's even see. He laughed. Then he looked around and said, if I do that, I might attract the officials. I was confused. He explained that the horn wasn't there for convenience. The horn was for emergencies, for danger. And suddenly the silence made perfect sense. German cars do have horns. I know because I looked for them. The difference is that they are saved for the moments that matter. The quiet was never in the car. It was in the people.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Düsseldorf Airport, where the local time